On 19th of November, Dongmukak Press Club called for a press conference to express their displeasure over the defamations and disrespectful remark made by Kangbura Killing EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council towards press corps. This came into light after an audio clip of conversation between Kangbura Killing EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council with a journalist was leaked and went viral on social media. Therefore, various press clubs across Karbi Anglong condemned his defamatory remarks made over the press corps. Therefore, Dongmukak Press Club DPC expressed their dissatisfactions during a press conference called on 19th of November. They had demanded for clarification and evidence as on what basis were the press corps being compared with to a terrorist.
Non-malum isi audio clips ke viral tetap tak alam ke bangke Yem Kangbura Killing alang li hinpen kerang kia tu fan kiputot pen karbok thap labang so lam the puthak nil tum sampai charjulong si ning tupik lo tema alang li hinpen kipudam la son lo media tum han ke teroris atuma sonsi nam cyclone bomb labang so puthak kini jepon to ko posini tum ning tupik lo.
They had said that comparing the entire press corps with a terrorist due to one or two individual-based journalists is totally unacceptable. And the clarifications you had given earlier is not satisfying as it was invaluable.
Non nangli lam nije chok chidet lo apotsi nilitum nangli kidudun bom mate nangli yemang hoi kang ni dun bom la councili hum phanta nilitum ki pon rapyaji la poson gi tum labang ni tum chokchi sonda thaksi nangli ta inu bahini fan kipu kang tunga joini tai mini pen ang ton pherang ke fan kini jepon ke chokchi pen ahlo nangli atumialom lam klar tami nangli chipilo basa mela solam klar ke chipi kene tunga asap na ta tum ninga sama bidat ate nangli rong ro ju ya son tak thak sin nangli lam klar ke chipi son sini tum tek bonlong.
Dongmukak Press Club apprised Kangbura Killing EM to change his attitudes toward the press corps and school him over the start-up of media house of his own.
Ning masing samse ning cepak lang lo athe nangli inut Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council long iem ang hoi kangi abang pulutang te lapuson kandidat nangji athe nangli kedam tang same lam klar ka chipi do ta hai po bon si tame la so puthak long lam klar ka chipi ba ni tum ning masing samse nangli rong rogi jui ason si nangli kanengje.
There are executive members of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council who are serving for more than 3rd to 4th consecutive terms, yet there had not been even a single controversy with the media fraternity till date. But the controversy of disrespected and defamation against media fraternity by Kangbura Killing EM came into limelight in his first term.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council long EM kikitang batai pho therok kikitang tumta dolo ta boifis tame lapuson nilitum herangkia tompan nangkelang plot nangki pusit lapusone itu charjulong le pian lang.
Samsing Inti reports from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live.